weather, the past year or so has been one for the record books.
Ominous is definitely the word here.
The first time we have ever had 4 named storms by this point in the year.
Building on the success of a 2007 policy that allowed out-of-state lawyers to provide pro bono assistance to disaster victims, in 2009, the ABA House of Delegates took it one step further.
The next item is Recommendation 102B. The chair recognizes Robert Hirschon.
It simply allows and reminds our state, federal, and local governments that in providing funding for emergencies, they need to provide funding for the infrastructure that allows state bar associations, local bar associations, that allows nonprofits and other organizations to set up that infrastructure.
Also speaking out, Frank Nooner.
I was president of the Louisiana State Bar when Katrina and Rita hit Louisiana, and it was only through the help of this organization and many of our fellow state bars that we were able to get through those tragedies. And this is something that is really needed, and I urge adoption of 102B.
With no opposition, it became ABA policy, and it's still being used to successfully lobby Congress, ensuring that when disaster strikes, the ABA is there. Young lawyers staff FEMA hotlines.
We've developed a tool to help you.
The ABA Special Committee on Disaster Response and Preparedness teaches lawyers, bar associations, and justice systems how to prepare for and respond to disasters. This past year, disaster recovery has been a major talking point in every presidential statement on the Legal Services Corporation.
We are here this week as privileged lawyers, standing up for those responsibilities and crying out for the people of this country who need more adequate funding for the Legal Services Corporation.
Disaster victims who would have no place to turn for help can thank the lawyers of the American Bar Association and its policymaking body.
Resolution 102B of the ABA House of Delegates, calling on local, state, and federal governments to provide emergency funding for legal services to disaster victims, focused the attention of governments on this heretofore unrecognized need. As a result, tens of thousands have been helped. Once again, the action of the ABA made an enduring difference.